Hi friends, welcome to the Microsoft Excel 2016 video lesson series. In this video lesson series, we will be learning about charts. So what is chart? Chart is also called a graph. It's a graphical representation of data in which the data is represented by symbols such as a bar in a bar chart, lines in a line chart, or a slice in a pie chart. A chart can represent tabular numeric data, function, or some kind of qualitative structure that provides different info. The term chart as a graphical representation of data has a multiple meaning. A data chart is a type of diagram or a graph that organizes and represents a set of numerical or qualitative data. So, Microsoft Excel provides different kind of charts. For example, column chart, line chart, pie chart, bar chart, area chart, scatter chart, and some other charts. So let's see how you can utilize that chart and how you can create chart from your existing data set. So let's get started. To create any kind of chart, you will have to first select data set. So I want to create a chart over this channel, forecast and actual sales data. So first select all your data set and then go to this insert ribbon. In insert ribbon you will find what kind of chart you can create. So these are some chart: column chart, line chart, pie chart. I am going to create this column chart. So click on to this drop down arrow and it will open up three kind of 2D column chart. So you can read description of particular chart, like here is cluster column, compare values across categories by using vertical rectangles. Use it when the order of category is not important or for displaying items count such as histograms. Second one is stack column. Compare the contribution of each value to a total across categories by using vertical rectangles. Use it to emphasize total across series for one category. So let's select first chart and click on that particular chart. That's it. Chart is created. Now here you can see you can resize chart as per your need by these points. As you can see now, my chart for forecast value and actual value is created. So forecast is blue and actual values are represented with this orange. So the forecast of web sale was very high, but actual sale is little bit low. So I can get a bigger picture. Here direct sale has an actual value higher than forecast value. So this is how you can show graphical representation of your data using graph. You can also create multiple graphs using same data. I'm just putting it here. Now let's create pie chart. So again I am selecting and go to insert menu and select pie chart. So I am selecting this 2D pie and it will generate 2D pie. So 2D pie chart is generated. Here you can see direct sale covers most of the area of this pie chart, as well as orange is which is a retailer. Here you can see which color represents which channel. So using pie charts and all the chart you can get a bigger picture. There is no need to explain particular data. Graph itself explain what things are happening in your institute, which channel is generating more value and which channel is generating less value. So this is a graphical representation of your data. You can use any one of chart. Just select the data and click on the graph which you want to create, like bar chart. So it will generate bar chart from that data. So this is about charts in Microsoft Excel. Thank you very much.